These are the best jewelry to gift the 5 different types of women. All of the jewelry today are from the brand Luisa. They usually come in this really minimal, eco-friendly packaging and a cute little postcard. Some pieces come in these really fun matchboxes and some come in these pouches. These 3 pieces that I recently picked out I think are perfect for that career woman in your life. Starting with this statement ring that's in this organic shape. I like that it is very simple in design, but with a twist. So it's not your typical, dainty jewelry. I feel like to feel really powerful, doesn't matter if you are a career woman or not. If you want to just feel really powerful, a statement ring is always going to be my first pick. And I wouldn't even overcomplicate the stack. I would just go with this statement ring. To go with this ring, and also for the people in your life who are usually really busy or on the go, they don't want to put in too much effort in thinking about what jewelry to wear. I picked out this pair of ball drop earrings that I think just go with really anything. I love wearing this type of simple but also statement-y earrings, especially when I have my hair pulled back and I just feel like I could roll up my sleeves and get all the work done. And to go with both the earring and the ring, I've also picked up this sort of matching ball-shaped necklace. I believe they come in a smaller size too, but I really want to make a statement with the necklace as well. This is a necklace at the longest length. I feel like it would go over your chunky winter sweaters really nicely. And if you are at a work setting, if you're wearing, let's say, a collared shirt or some sort of turtleneck, this would also go super well just because it's a very simple design again, and it's not flashy either. It's not like a huge diamond that you're wearing, but it shines under the light, and it also goes really well with rest of the jewelry. Next up, for the moms in your life, I think it's important to give something that's meaningful. Or if you've recently become a mom, if you are a mom yourself, you can also choose these pieces to feel still really put together, even though the mom life, as I have recently been experiencing, could be quite crazy. This is an astrology necklace. I have it in the Leo astrology sign. That's my baby's astrology, and I have been wearing this pretty much non-stop since receiving, just because it is very dainty. It doesn't feel like you're wearing the necklace, but it really helps put a very simple outfit together. Not that I have had a lot of time putting together outfits or going anywhere, but even just for yourself, I feel like this necklace has meaning to me, but it also just looks really pretty, and it's very dainty, easy to style and layer with any other necklaces. For example, this heart locket necklace, you could buy this and put pictures of meaning inside and then gift it to whether it's moms in your life or really just people you want to or you hold special memories with. I'm wearing both of these necklaces at the longest length, and as you can see, they actually layer up really well. By the way, all of Ana Luisa pieces are water resistant, which means even though they are really affordable price, you really don't have to spend the solid gold money to get pieces that will also be durable and water resistant as solid gold. The next piece for the moms in your life, I thought of this chain bracelet. It's got a little pave detail in the middle 2 links and just very comfortable to wear. I recommended this because it is really an evergreen piece. As you can see, I'm wearing a pretty chunky and fuzzy sweater. This doesn't get caught in the sweater. It's also one of those classic design, but with a twist of little sparkly detail. Adds a little bit of a statement, but it's not too out there, and it also doesn't get in your way as you, for example, are holding your baby. These pieces also pair really well with each other, and to be honest, all of the pieces that I am showing in today's video really go well with each other. And Ana Luisa also has a lot of silver jewelry if you're not into full-on gold look. Next up, for the minimalist in your life, I'm going to keep this necklace on because I think this is another great piece, just universally flattering for any type of jewelry wearers. But I also thought it would be fun to give them some just dainty little bracelets. And reason I recommend bracelet is they usually come in these adjustable chain bit at the end, so it doesn't matter the wrist size, the bracelets will always fit. And the two bracelets I recommend, this one here is the herringbone bracelet that's extremely comfortable to wear, and this is like dainty pearl and clover design interlinked. And just because you are a minimalist doesn't mean that you cannot layer your jewelry pieces. And I do think these two pieces, they are dainty on its own, and even layered together, they're not too in your face. Venturing into the ring category, this is a gold chain ring that also comes in silver. Reminds me of the Hermes chain ring, and obviously a tiny fraction of the price, and it's just perfect for any minimal jewelry wearer. It is kind of barely there but also kind of there, and it's very, very comfortable to wear. And if you are looking for other designer jewelry dupe, this is another great piece. In fact, these two layer very well together. The quilted ring reminds me of the Chanel Coco Crush. They're so comfortable to wear, so water resistant that anyone receiving these rings would be over the moon. This next piece might be a little bit controversial for a jewelry minimalist because it is kind of sparkly. It's this twisted pave gold ring, and it also comes with matching earrings. They are very sparkly, yes, but they're also everyday in the sense that they are in such classic designs. And if you want to spice up the jewelry game for the minimalists in your life, then these actually are great options. Now, for the colorful mind, for the people who enjoy life in full color, I would recommend giving colorful jewelry. So starting with this really, at this point, iconic Ana Luisa piece. It's got like a jade little pendant design and a beautiful flat chain that is really sparkly under the sun but also on its own. I have it actually at the shortest length, so this is quite a long piece. It could go pretty long, which means it is perfect for the colder season. Another green piece, just because I am obsessed with green, is this statement signet ring featuring a malachite signet. Depending on the ring size, you could even wear it as a true pinky ring. Another colorful ring piece I have from Ana Luisa is this mood ring. Obviously, it changes the color depending on the really temperature, not really mood, that you have. So right now it's in a very dark green color, almost gray, but sometimes it's blue, sometimes it's green. Most of the time it's like a quite dark color. And I also love the idea that the color actually changes, so it just makes this a really fun gift. This is possibly the most unique necklace that I have from Ana Luisa. It's this China patterned pendant necklace. It goes so well with the outfit I'm wearing now, and I just love this blue and creamy white color combination. It is just the perfect necklace for the summertime. I mean, even for the colder weather, it goes really, really well. Very comfortable to wear, and you just can't find something like this anywhere else, which makes this a very unique and fun gift. Then a very minimal approach to the colorful necklace is this mother of pearl rose engraved pendant necklace. I have it on the shortest setting now. It could go maybe an inch or two longer as well. If the person you're giving is girly, they like feminine things, feel like this is a really, really great option. Lastly, for the girly girls or your daughters, granddaughters, for the younger people in your life, feel like giving them trendier, fun pieces would be a great option, starting with these shell earrings. Now, I am currently in winter, but I feel like these vintagey looking shell earrings can just last all season, and they have been trending for the past few months. This pair is so comfortable to wear, and as you can see, very easy to put on. I just feel like someone who is a trendsetter, who loves to try new things, would really appreciate these statement earrings. And this is possibly the most comfortable pair of like quite statement-y earrings that I own from Luisa. Another trend is anything that has a heart on it. So I have shared the heart locket, but Luisa also has this just simpler, almost like a cutout design heart pendant necklace, and it catches the light really well. It is a little bit daintier than the previous locket heart necklace. I feel like this would just go with probably a little bit more outfits and girlier outfits. And to complete the heart jewelry collection, I also have this pave heart bracelet that is really cute and dainty for those girly girls or people who love following trends. This is a piece that I have seen actually across many jewelry brands and has been quite popular lately. All of the Luisa pieces will be linked in the description, and let me know in the comments which one is your favorite piece from.